Can a mattress topper make a bed firmer? If you're wondering whether a mattress topper can make your bed firmer, you're not alone. Many people face this dilemma, especially when their mattress is too soft. Let's break it down to see if a mattress topper can really do the trick. First, it's important to understand what a mattress topper does. It's an extra layer that goes on top of your mattress to provide extra comfort and support. Mattress toppers come in various materials and firmness levels, which can significantly change the feel of your bed. When it comes to firmness, mattress toppers can indeed make a soft mattress feel firmer, but there are some limitations. For instance, if your mattress is too soft and you add a firm mattress topper, it might not completely solve the problem. Here's why. The firm topper will still sink into the soft mattress underneath, which means you might not get the firmness you're looking for. Memory foam toppers, for example, can provide additional support and contour to your body, but if the underlying mattress is too soft, the topper will still conform to that softness. This can lead to you sinking into the bed more than you'd like, even with a firm topper on top. However, there are some scenarios where a firm mattress topper can be beneficial. If you have a mattress that's slightly too soft but still in good condition, a high-density foam topper can add the necessary support and firmness. These toppers, especially those with layers of memory foam and foundation foam, can help relieve pressure points and maintain spinal alignment. It's also worth noting that a mattress topper cannot fix a sagging or worn-out mattress. If your mattress is in bad condition, a topper won't be able to restore its integrity or provide the support you need. In such cases, it's better to consider replacing the mattress altogether. In summary, while a firm mattress topper can add some level of firmness to a soft mattress, it's not a foolproof solution. It works best when paired with a mattress that is still in good condition but needs a bit of extra support. Always consider the condition and type of your mattress before deciding on a topper.